Hi Pisces! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for September the 12th to September the 15th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? Kung hindi nyo maabutan yung live sessions doon, pwede naman po kayong magtanong dito po sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Pisces, sorry. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sorry, ano ba yan? Pisces, simulan na natin. Pisces. Kung sinasabi natin na si person ay hindi na tayo mahal, hindi na tayo binibigyan ng halaga, kung si person ay meron ng iba, I feel like medyo nasobrahan ang overthinking natin. I feel like marami lang nangyayari, no? Kaya hindi niya maibigay ang yung full attention, no, niya sa inyo. Let's say nagkaroon kayo ng usapan, maraming dreams, maraming gustong gawin, pero hindi siya natutupad, no, for now. Dahil nga ito sa mga unfortunate events, unplanned scenarios, no, na uncontrollable naman. I also feel like with the fates in here, medyo aayos na kung ano man yung nangyayari sa inyo, no, ni person. Or kung may nangyayari sa yung personal, medyo paayos na rin, and even kay person nga, katulad sinabi ko. With the Treasured Islands in here, medyo mabagal lang itong process, no, ng pag-aayos, process ng pagiging maayos, whether it is personal or with your person's personal, no, challenges, or both of you having a personal issues with regard to your relationship. It felt like na medyo, sabihin natin, slowly but surely, pero putting the places into its proper place, no, putting things into their proper place, putting the things into their proper place. Medyo ano nga lang tayo, advance tayo mag-isip. Nauna tayong mag-overthink. Or hindi lang kasi worry to eh. Kasi pag sinabi mong worry, naturalmente medyo kakabahan ka. Pero yung kaba mo, dapat kabado 20 lang, no? Naging 50. Ayan. So yung kaba mo, nag-exaggerate. Naintindihan naman natin kasi gusto mo i-save yung relationship. Pero I think that you jump into a deeper rabbit hole na hindi na siya in reality, which means it's very Pisces, no? With the Hierophant or Kamakalmaha and the Star. So, I feel like medyo nabigay natin, tayo kasi, no, when we love, we give 100% or 101% or 1000%, exceeding, no, what our person can give. And somehow we are hoping that your person's going to do the same. But however, how could a person can, I mean, how can a person do things if there's a lot of things in their plate, no? With the Hierophant and the Star, I feel like nandun pa rin naman itong pagtingin, nandun pa rin yung plans, nandun pa rin yung mga gagawin mga sabihin natin dreams, aspirations, no? Medyo kalma-kalma lang, huwag nating madaliin. With a higher fund, katulad nga ng sinabi kanina, medyo paayos na siya, magkakaroon ng either settlement, magkakaroon ng approach, parang hand in hand together agreement, no? Between you two on how you can fix whether it is time management, no? Um, I feel like medyo nagkaiba or naiba yung schedules, no? Yun yung dalawa. The World card and the Five of Swords. So it felt like to me, it's either the schedule, the place itself, baka kasi napunta siya sa ibang lugar, napunta ka sa ibang lugar, no? Yung trabaho, nag-iba din yung schedule. Uh, what else? Insomnia, no? Nagkakaiba tayo ng time frame. Feeling kasi natin dito, dahil may nagbago, ayun na nga, medyo nagtampo dahil sa pagbabago. Ayokong sabihin lang, no? I'm not in the position para sabihin lang yon, no? Huwag natin i-invalidate ang iyong nararamdaman. Pero ang sinasabi kasi dito, yung mababaw na sugat, kinamot nyo ng kinamot, ayan, nagkaroon ng komplikasyon, no? With the Hangman and the Moon card, which is very you, Pisces. Actually, lumabas agad dito yung dalawa pa lang ba? Yeah, dalawa sa water signs ang lumabas. And which means the deep ocean, no? Surfaced, and you kind of dive in into the depths na medyo I don't know kung paano mo iniisip, pero kasi naapektuhan na yung tulog, naapektuhan na yung mental health, no? Kalma-kalma, no? It's not a devastation with the Hangman in here. Wala pa siya doon. Hindi pa rin siya close. Although nandun tayo sa umaandar siya. Katulad ng sinabi ko, prevention is better than cure, which is yun yung iyong ginagawa. No? With the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Four of Pentacles. So hold your breath, hold your thoughts, no? Baka kasi gumagawa din tayo ng actions na masyado namang advance, which instead na makatulong, hindi, no? Kumbaga, kalma, chillax, no? Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, instead of letting things happen in its proper or on its divine timing, parang ang ginagawa mo dito, you're paving a way. You're paving your own way actually, no? To seek an experience, no? What you want to experience in this, in your connection per se. Sabihin kasi natin dito na sometimes kasi pag pilit, no, hindi siya ganun katamis, kasarap. Nasabi ko na to kanina, no, doon sa, I think, Capricorn, yeah. Kapag pinipilit kasi natin yung bagay, Sagittarius, no, Scorpio. Basta, pag pinipilit natin yung isang bagay, katulad ng mangga, no, pwede naman tayong kumain ng mangga all throughout the year, pero iba pa rin talaga yung tamis ng mangga kapag nasa season niya, no? So, iba yung, sabihin natin, mas mura na kasi season niya nga, mas matamis, no? Ang kailangan lang natin antayin yung tamang timing, no? So, sobrang nag-overthink, sobrang nabagalan, perhaps, kaya gumawa ng sariling way. Chill, no? Kasi ikaw lang ang mai-stress dito dahil medyo naapektuhan na ang iyong pagtulog or yung mental health mo nga, no? Baka din sa sobrang stress mo, doon ka napupuyat, nawawala yung, instead na makatulong, no? lalong na pepeste yung schedule, no? With what's the point of it all? And don't pressure me. And I think that this is your person's emotion. No, parang instead din na makatulong tayo kay person, mas dinadagdagan natin yung stress. What's the point of us or you probably asking a lot of questions if things didn't happen or not even happening or even hindi man lang hinagap or inisip ni person na magagawa niya yun, no? So meron di mga paratang na hindi nangyayari or hindi man lang naisip na gawin nga ni person pero ikaw sa isip mo, ginagawa na 'to, 'no? So, chill tayo, 'no? I think that this has something to do with the moon phase. But anyway, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo, Pisces, Capricorn, uh, Scorpio, Aquarius. So this is your reading, Pisces. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And nagla-live po tayo doon, no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kilalang-kilala niyo po ang inyong sarili, Pisces, no? Kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dito sa ating question form. Sa description box, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, una nyo makikita yung question form. Huwag pong trigger happy. Sa baba po no, may mga QR codes and they are labeled. Nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Hanapin nyo lang po dun sa mga QR codes, no? Nakalabel nga naman siya. Kung susumahin ninyo, mas mura siya dun sa mga TikTok lives. Pangalawa, yung 4 questions, discounted na, may libre pang isa. No? And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box or doon sa QR codes. No? Kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali at gusto nyo sumali sa ating raffle, for you to win a private reading, pakireport po yung mga fake accounts. Actually, nakapag pasara na tayo ng 2. So, konting-konti na lang. No? Report those fake accounts, take a screenshot of your report, send it to the designated email. Ayan. And then, ang mangyayari po niyan, pag nagapi natin, bubunot tayo doon ng winner. And kung hinahanap niyo po yung ibang mga readings, nandun po siya sa Facebook, no? Lalo na doon sa mga readings about exes, no? If you still care about your ex, nandun po siya. And magkakaroon na po tayo ng Facebook exclusive, TikTok exclusive, and para lang din po. So, might as well follow me in all social media accounts. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo po mahanap yung mga social media accounts, nandun po sa question form, may mga icons po doon, no, sa taas ng question form. Facebook, TikTok, yan. Click nyo lang yung icons or logo, dadali na kayo doon sa ating website or web page or page, no? Whatever you want to call it. This is your reading, Pisces. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.